A Morgan Stanley traditional IRA is a type of individual retirement account offered by Morgan Stanley that allows individuals to save for retirement on a tax-deferred basis. To understand how it works, let's break it down step by step. First, it's essential to know that a traditional IRA is a type of account that allows you to contribute a certain amount of money each year, and the contributions may be tax-deductible. The money in the account grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on the earnings until you withdraw them in retirement. To open a Morgan Stanley traditional IRA, you must be under the age of 70.5 and have earned income from a job. The annual contribution limit is set by the IRS and may be adjusted each year for inflation. For example, if you're under 50 years old, you can contribute up to a certain amount each year, and if you're 50 or older, you can contribute an additional catch-up amount. The benefits of a Morgan Stanley traditional IRA include tax-deferred growth, potential tax deductions for contributions, and flexibility in investment options. You can invest your IRA money in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. To get started, you'll need to open an account with Morgan Stanley and fund it with an initial contribution. You can then set up a systematic investment plan to transfer money from your bank account to your IRA on a regular basis. It's also important to consider the rules and regulations surrounding traditional IRAs. For example, you'll need to take required minimum distributions from your account starting at age 72. And you may be subject to penalties for early withdrawals before age 59.5. In conclusion, a Morgan Stanley traditional IRA can be a valuable tool for saving for retirement, offering tax benefits and flexibility in investment options. By understanding the rules and benefits, you can make informed decisions about your retirement savings and create a secure financial future.